Welcome back to the video. We got something exciting going on today. Actually heading down to the Deer Club. I mentioned this in my last video. We wanna try to do something different for the Deer Club. It's not going anywhere. Braden actually owns a little bit in there, so we just decided to try to like restore it the best way we can because it's a good drive away. We'll go down there, we'll hunt, we'll have to come back. We're spending so much time driving back and forth. Why not just stay at the Deer Club? But the thing is, over the years, it's kind of gone downhill a little bit. The ceiling's kind of, I mean, we'll go over a lot of stuff today, but we have decided to load up everything on the trailer today. It's gonna probably be if I'm guessing, a couple week project. I mean, we're going here and there. Like, we have to bring another trailer tomorrow, so we're gonna bring some stuff down there today so we can bring the dumping trailer tomorrow. Just try to limit down everything that we're bringing. But yeah, it's gonna be exciting. We're gonna try to restore the whole entire Deer Club, starting with a bunch of different things. I think today we're trying to approach the outside because there's a lot of stuff down there, a lot of junk that needs to get thrown out. So Julius is coming down today. Say hi, Julius.
I'm drinking beer today.
I might be too. Old B-Man's coming too. He's loading up the skid steer right now. It's gonna be exciting. This is gonna be like a complete turnover, another big project that we got planned on the channel, and I am jacked to be doing it. So we're gonna get everything loaded up and we're heading down to the Deer Club. All right, y'all, we've made it down here to the Deer Club. If you guys don't know what the Deer Club looks like, here it is. Little shack. A lot of stuff we got to get done down here today. Like I said, we're gonna try to target mostly the outside. Inside's a whole nother project. We're probably gonna start on that tomorrow, so I'll walk you guys through that once we get there. But I'm gonna give you a little walk around the outside of what we got going on. His dad's got a pretty cool like little live well system here, but we haven't ran it in a little bit. Walking around here to the front porch. Things gotten pretty old. All this little debris and all the grass that's growing up, I'm gonna go around with the weed eater and just try to knock all that down. And there's just sticks and stuff everywhere. We just want to try to clear this up and make it look a lot nicer. Bush hog all through here. We got some trees we got to cut down. Julius is gonna jump on that. I'm gonna throw a new sink here. We have a lot of stuff where I'm just gonna go in order once we start doing that kind of stuff. But you see what we're working with. All got different tasks today, so we're all just gonna be working together, just knocking them out. I'm not sure how we're gonna distribute all the footage and whatnot, but we're all doing something. We're staying busy, so let's get to work. All right, so the weed eater died on me, and can't weed eat the weeds. I'm gonna use weed killer, so let's go and spray around. Alright guys, I'm walking over to the dam right now. I want to show you how much stuff we got done, how much it actually opened up. Dude, I'm so jacked. The guy actually came here today too, and we might be able to get this pond back. That would be the sickest thing if we can get this pond back to where it used to be. They used to catch some monster fish. Look how much it opened up. That is crazy, man. We did so much work in here today. We could see through, there's Beach Truck. You can see through so much better here now. That's the rest of the pond. It's a 6-acre piece of little property right here. That's how big the pond used to be, man. We can get this back. I'll be so freaking excited. We can get all these trees in here. We can do whatever the hell we want. I'll walk over where the deer club's at and show you guys a view between the trees now. We cleared so much down. A lot of little saplings. We cut some big ones down too. Pretty much if it was rotting or in the way and stopping that view and actually getting the pond bank kind of back to where it used to be, we were cutting it down. So open now, dude. It looks so good. Even down here too. We're wrapping it up. We're gonna be back out here tomorrow to do some more work, cutting down some of the stumps, moving some more trees, and just trying to get this place back. I'll pick y'all back up tomorrow once we come down here and do some more work. Y'all, it's the next day back down here at the deer club. We got a lot done. We cleared everything down there in that field, and I really hope we get this pond back. Lewis and I were cutting down some trees yesterday. We're trying to make like the wood line where the bank would be if we do get the pond back, and there's this 50-50 shot we'll do it. Like I said, we're back down here. We have a lot more stuff to do. I think Julius is gonna start out cutting some more trees. We'll be stacking the wood somewhere up underneath this little shed right here. We have the dump trailer today, so we gotta pretty much clean out everything outside and inside, get it in the dump trailer and go haul it off. So that's what B's gonna be doing too. We got power washing. We got a lot of stuff we gotta do today. So with that being said, let's get to work. As we got here too, I look over behind the deer club, and there's a little cat in the middle of the path. I absolutely hate cats, but there's something about this one that was different. It didn't try to run away, and it's a little kitten. He was just sitting there, well, she was just sitting there meowing. Look at her. There's a little baby. I don't know what the hell we're gonna do with her, but we got a cat now. Thinking right here, guys, between these two trees, we'll want to build a little lean-to for the wood. It's a good spot to stack it. It's wide enough. We're gonna have a lot of wood today, so we should be able to go pretty tall, maybe to get 2 rows, but y'all, with that being said, let's clear out this little spot. Let's start stacking some wood. Braden, Julius, and Tyler went out to dump the dump trailer because it had some limbs in it, so they were gone for about 30-40 minutes, and they come back. Let's start with this. This is understandable. Things happen. Closed it up, but this door was not wanting to close, and I forgot what he said, but it broke the weld right here, so that's all messed up. Then they said they were driving. They just heard a loud pop, and the whole front end kind of shifted. This is pretty impressive. It sucks, but I've never seen something like this. If I don't know an upper control arm, I'll show you what it is. This right here is an upper control arm, all right? Notice how it's all connected. That side no good. He literally snapped his whole upper control arm. Now Braden's truck's got to get towed. I don't know how I'll figure something out, go grab his dad's truck or something, but we got to clean out his truck because it's going to the shop. Alright y'all, that's my stack of wood I stacked up. It needs to be split, but at least we got it here. But overall, we're about a go grab some lunch, take off one more load. It's looking good. It's opened up a lot. We've been working our tails off. We cleared a lot. I mean, everything is open now, dude. I need some fuel in my stomach, so dropping this off, grabbing some lunch, and we'll be back. All right, y'all, we're back from lunch. I'm trying to figure out my game plan. I want to try to get some of these thorns and some of these like small saplings up. It's kind of too thick to use the weed eater for. You're just gonna go through string like hell. So I'm thinking I'm about to just do a little heavy burst of weed killer. Try to just spray everything up. We have it here. Might as well just try to hit everything I can. So that's the next step, and that's what I'm gonna do. And like I said, heavy, where I'm pouring a lot of that stuff in there. If you want to kill some of this bigger stuff, you got to give it a lot. All right, y'all, talk about a day. We've been working extremely hard all day since this morning getting all this stuff done, and it looks great. We got everything from trash to cleaning off the skin shed. I mean, we got it all. The roof, everything. All the debris underneath there, just the whole place is starting to really shape up. I mean, look at it in there now. So nice and clean, and the property is looking great. Working a tail off. Everything looks great. So we started with the outside, and that was our main goal, just try to wrap everything up out here. And there's still gonna be a lot we got to do around, but the majority of it was knocked out. Next is going to be inside the house, that I haven't even shown y'all what it looks like in there. We've probably seen it in some of the videos, but it's rough and it needs some love and care. But you got to start somewhere. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more content like this and these bigger projects that we do, all of us working together, getting stuff done, leave in the comments down below. I appreciate you guys watching. Until next time, Lit Bass TV.